we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Search for the PMT Excel formula if it is not shown in the list. Highlight the PMT function and then click the OK button. Create references to the cells in which your details have been entered for each field in the Function Arguments window. Click inside the Rate field window and then click cell B2.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.